origami time. Let's fold a wish today. Take a square of paper, smooth and neat. Lay it down before you feel the beat. Fold it corner to corner, make a line. Take your time, my friend, you're doing fine. Open it up and do it once more. A beautiful cross from corner to shore. Turn it over, press the sides right through. A little magic square is waiting for you. We are making a crane, watch it fly. With paper wings up into the sky. Fold by fold, a wish comes alive. Just keep going, see your dreams arrive. Take the open edges, fold them to the center. Like a little kite where the wind can enter. Crease it sharp with your fingers, neat and clean. The prettiest paper kite you've ever seen. Fold the top triangle down like a hood. Press it tight, yes you understood. Open it up, lift the top layer high into a long diamond shape. Give it a try. We are making a crane, watch it fly. With paper wings up into the sky. Fold by fold, a wish comes alive. Just keep going, see your dreams arrive. Flip it over, let's do the same. This is the heart of the origami game. Lift the flap up, smooth out the space. Another diamond is locked in its place. We need thin legs, so fold the sides in. Left and right, that's where we begin. Make it skinny, make it real tall. You're doing great, don't worry at all. We're making a crane, watch it fly. With paper wings up into the sky. Fold by fold, a wish comes alive. Just keep going, see your dreams arrive. One side is the neck, one side is the tail. Fold them up and inside we cannot fail. Then the little tip to make a sweet head. Look at the magic that your hands just spread. We are making a crane, watch it fly. With paper wings up into the sky. Fold by fold, a wish comes alive. Just keep going, see your dreams arrive. Pull the wings gently, watch it breathe. 1,000 wishes you can achieve. Just a paper crane, fly away. Fly away, little crane. Through the sunshine and through the rain. With your wings made of paper and love. High above, high above, high above. We made every fold, we took our time. Every little crease was a beautiful climb. Now you are ready to touch the sky. Spread your wings and learn how to fly.